Everyone, audio video both are clear, all of you? Everyone, somebody just check it. Right, so if it's clear, we'll start this. Okay. So which one we are doing it? Right, so I think nobody has joined. Who has joined? Right, let me check it. Okay, nobody has joined. Right, Lena. Okay, RCC completed. Okay, right. So here what we are doing, if you just observe this, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Let's crack it, right? Ready to crack, all of you? Ready to crack? Okay, okay then, right? So whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, right? Whenever you are subscribing for plus and iconic courses, right? Gaurav, good evening, sir. Good evening. Right. Yeah, you only said na you are ghost, Lena ghost. Right, so whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, don't forget to use the referral code RP Civil Live. Okay, right. GATE and ESE classes for civil engineering, you can say, right? This is my profile. This is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is my referral code, right? Whenever anybody is subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, use my referral code RP Civil Live, right? Yeah, Chaya, good evening. These are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform. And now coming to this Unacademy, Crack Gate examinations 2023 and 24 with Unacademy scholarship test for Gate, right? So don't miss this Unacademy scholarship test, all of you, right? There is a chance that 100%, which one? 100% which one? 100% scholarship you may be able to get, right? If you are attending this scholarship test, right? So Unacademy has opened its store. Unacademy store will be opened from which one? March 12th at this place, right? 30 Pusa Road, right? Old Rajendra Nagar at near Metro Pillar 121. At this place, Unacademy stall will be opened or store will be opened, right? You can buy whatever the things you want, right? Now coming to this 13th, March 13th at 11 a.m. What is that you are having? Yeah, today exact time. Yesterday also I tried to come exact time. I have started, but that key was not working. Stream key was not working. So again I have got new key, and like that it has become late, right? But today on time only. So use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? Use the referral code RP Civil Live, all of you. Okay. So this Crack Gate 2023 and 2024 with which one? Unacademy Lite subscription, right? What is an Unacademy Lite? Those who already prepared and next time they wanted to give, but only the thing is they could not do properly, then you can go for only the test series, right? It is a limited period offer. If you just observe, up to this March 19th you will be having these lesser prices, and after that from March 20th onwards the prices will be increasing, right? Don't miss them. So these are the benefits of iconic subscription when compared to plus subscription, right? Along with the plus subscription you'll be having. Okay, so these are all the subjects, right? What are all these? You can say these are all the subjects, right? These are all the subjects you will be taking. So these are all the subjects you will be having in placement related one, you can say. Yes, na? Uttarakhand Bablu. Okay, you only? Right, very good then. So these are all reasoning and ability syllabus is this one, right? Technical CSC technical syllabus is this one, right? Like that. These are the new batches are going to start, right? On March 16th, the new batches are going to start. So don't forget. So start your preparation and use the referral code RP0Live whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, all of you. Okay, evolve batches, and these are all the batches starting, right? So what we have seen yesterday in this first chapter, right? Fundamentals of this surveying only. In this fundamentals of surveying, which part we have seen, all of you? Karupaya, good evening. That types of survey we have seen, and still will be continuing this types of survey only, right? So this first part and the second part. Yesterday also we were continuing this types of survey only, na? Yeah, okay. UKPSC GEC will make 40 into 2. Okay, okay. So you have to be careful, right? We are solving these UKPSC questions also, na? Here, yes, Bablu. So you have to be careful, right? So yesterday up to which one we have solved? This 26th question we have solved, na? Yes, up to this 25th question we have solved, if you just observe, isn't it? Now, shall I move on to the next question, all of you? Shall I move on to the next question, all of you? Yes, I'll be moving on to the next question from this first chapter. And what is that a topic? You can say types of this survey only. Still we are continuing, right? YouTube live class on which one? This is surveying all state PSC PYQs part 3, right? Again next Wednesday we'll be having Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we'll be having these classes at 4:30. Now try to select the answer of you. Try to select this all of you. Everyone try to answer this question. This question number 26. So we'll be continuing the same numbering so that we'll get some idea how many questions we are doing. Yes, na? Somebody select the answer. 26D. Karpaya said D. And others? What about others? What about others? Bablu D. And others? Anyone? Anyone else? Right, Rohit also D only, right? Rohit also D only. Yes, what is that? We'll see now, right? So shall I lock? Right. Any others are telling the options? Okay, Gaurav D and Lena also D, right? Okay, let us check, right, for this 26th question. Statement 1, right? What is the statement 1? Geodetic surveying cannot be done for works requiring higher precision. Geodetic surveying is mainly used for which one? Works with higher precision only, na? Works with higher precision only means this statement is true or false. If you just observe, this statement is absolutely false, na? Yes, this statement is absolutely false or not? Yes, Gaurav Sharma also said D. This statement is absolutely false, na? Plain surveying we can use where we don't require that much accuracy, but here we need to look at this, we need to use the geodetic surveying where accuracy is required absolutely. Next statement 2, the curvature of the earth is accounted for measurement in geodetic survey. Yes, absolutely, na? Curvature of earth we have to consider in the geodetic survey, absolutely, right? But what is that? It can be used for works with higher precision, right? What is that? Statement 1 is false and 2 is true. So which option? There is only one option with the statement 1 is false, right? Option D, na? Yes, absolutely, right? So now shall I move to the next question, 27th question? Yes, I'll be moving on to the 27th question, right? Try to select the answer of you. Try to select the answer here, all of you, everyone. Everyone try to select the answer here. This is which examination? You can say it is your OPSC EE paper 2 2019 and also Lucknow Metro Rail it is given, right? LMRC, right? Lucknow Metro Rail AM 2018, right? In these two papers it is given, right? Yeah, just write the question number and answer, right? Because you'll be writing many, na? Question number and answer you write, right? Question number and option, right? 27D, everyone. Bablu, Gaurav, Leena said D. And any other option? Others? Right. So now coming to this, the basic principles of this surveying are, which one are the basic principles of surveying, all of you? Working from whole to part is the first principle of surveying, na? Yes, Naveen, good evening. Yeah, working from whole to part is the first and foremost basic principle of surveying, definitely or not? Yes, absolutely, right? Absolutely. Then measuring before the construction, is it involving the is it related to this basic principles of surveying? No. Measuring and calculating the land availability, no, it is also not related to this, right? Fixing a point in relation to the points already located, right? Yes, that is the principle, na? With respect to the existing points, at least how many points are required to fix a new third point, all of you? At least how many points are required? At least how many points are required to fix the third point location? At least 2 known points are required, na? All of you. From the at least 2 known points, we can locate the third point. That is the next principle of this surveying. Is that clear? So which one are correct? A and D are correct, right? A and D statements means which statements are given? In option D only that statements A and D are given, if you just observe. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, all of you? Shall I move on to the next one? Yes, with respect to the available 2 points only, we can locate the third point, right? Now, this 28th question, tell me. This is your Bell BHEL question, not that Bell Puri, it is BHEL. Yeah. Select the answer of you. Select the answer, everyone. Yeah, write the question number and answer you write, right? So that others also will not get confusion whenever they are attending in a recorded manner. Yes, na? Once done, tell me all of you. Select the answer here, everyone, for this 28th question. I'll be waiting. $28D. Any others? Leena said and Rohit Kumar said, and Karupaya, Bablu also said, Bablu said, sorry, Karupaya said B, Bablu also said D. Any other answers, all of you? Any others? Any other answer? 28D, Gaurav B. Okay. So two people said B and the remaining all people said D, right? Remaining all people said D if you just observe, right? In a city, yeah. Okay. In a city, right? In a city, pipelines have to be laid in connection with the sewage disposal and water supply projects. Identify the survey to be employed for collecting the data for the same, right? Yeah, Bablu, what you should do, right? Bablu, what you should do? I told you yesterday also, no? Day before yesterday also I told you, na? So click on this white color screen. ये दिख रहा है ना? ये screen दिख रहा है ना? Just click on this screen and you will be getting the settings symbol, and at that place click on this quality and go for advanced and select which one more than or equal to 360 or 480. Then you will be getting, okay? Then you will be getting the clear view. That quality you have to change, right? It is not in my hands. Whenever it is streaming, it will be streaming with full HD quality only, but you have to set the quality yourself, okay? You have to set the quality yourself, okay? Change that quality settings, Bablu, then it will be visible clearly, right? In a city pipeline, right? Which one we have to go for? Topographical survey, cadastral survey, geodetic survey, cross sectional and profile leveling. Is it not the cross sectioning and this profile leveling? Absolutely. Is it not the cross section and this profile leveling? Yes. So topographical survey means which one we are getting? In this we are getting the details of these rivers, ponds, valleys, hills. All these details you are getting in this topographical survey, na? Yes. And cadastral survey, it is representing the boundaries from private property to private property, right? So suppose let us say your agricultural field is here, your agricultural field, next agricultural field, these are all shown like this, right? In a city also the individual private boundaries are shown in this cadastral survey. Geodetic survey, it is just whenever that geodetic surveying is mentioned means you have to say that it is by considering which one? Earth curvature into account. That is the thing we have to consider. Yes, na? Right. Cross section and profile leveling, if you just observe, because this leveling, cross section and profile leveling is very important, right? Whenever you are laying a pipeline, let us say this is your particular place A, this is your particular place B. If you do not know the leveling profile here, do you decide, is it possible to decide how much amount of cutting is required and how much amount of filling is required for laying this pipeline? Can you able to decide from the ground at which location, at which depth we have to provide? Is it possible to identify? No. So cross sectional and profile leveling will be useful whenever you are locating these pipelines, because pipeline means that water or liquid has to move from one place to other place, na? In that situation, so the ground profile is very important. Based on that only we'll go for cutting and filling and we'll be constructing the pipeline. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone, all of you? Yes, right? So now I will be moving on to the last but one question from this types of survey, right? Is it clear? 28th question, everyone? Yes, I will be moving on to this 29th survey. Try to select the answer, all of you. Try to select the answer, everyone. For this question, try to select the answer, all of you. 29th wala question. Yeah, Tower of Power. Yes, try to select the answer here. Select the answer for this question, all of you. 29th wala. Twenty-ninth B. Any other answer? Any other answer? Right. One of the basic principles of survey is fixing a point in relation to the points already located. The two measurements from the located points can consist of which of the following? You can say which one? It can be two lines, na? Using the two lines we can locate the third point or not? Yes, absolutely right. Yes, Ferdinand also said B. Yeah, Karupaya, Leena, Rohit, Naveen, Ferdinand, Tower, everyone said B. Right, write the question number and answer, all of you. Write the question number and answer so that those who are attending in recorded version, it will be useful for them. Okay, when you are having the two lines, is it not possible to locate this point? Yes, it is possible to locate this point when you are having these two lines. Yes, a line and an angle. Is it not possible to locate the second point whenever you are having this line and angle? So one length will be there and one angle will be there, right? So then is it not possible? Yes, it is possible to locate the third point, right? So two angles, only two angles are sufficient. Only two angles are also sufficient. Yes, two angles are also sufficient, because right. Okay, line and an angle, right? Line and angle. So generally if you just observe, right, I wanted to locate this point C. Okay, I'll explain that. One second, all of you, I'll explain that one by one. I'll explain that, don't worry, all of you. Okay, Lena, I'll explain that, don't worry, everyone. So here A, B, C are the 3 points we consider it. A, C, two lines means, right, what is that you can say? Let us say locate point C. Just for an example, locate point C, right? How can you locate this point C? If you just observe, this is your A, this is your which one? This AC line, and this is your which one? This BC line. Once you know this BC line and this AC line, can't you locate this point C from this BC line and this AC line, all of you? From these 2 points BC line and this AC line, right? Can't you locate this, everyone? From this AC line and this BC line, can't you locate this third point? From this AC and BC, from this AC line and BC line, can't we locate this point C? Yes, we can locate this point C, absolutely. Do you have any problem? We do not have any problem in locating, right? So now, if you just observe, right, what is that you can say, right? So two lines is correct, right? Using the two lines we can locate the third point or not? We can locate a point or not? Yes, we can locate a point, right? And using a line and angle, right? Using which one? This is a line and angle. Is it possible to locate using a line and angle? If you just observe, whenever you are having this particular point C, this is your particular point C, we have to locate, right? How can you locate this particular point C? How can you locate this particular point C? If you just observe, so this is your which one? This AB, let us say, right? This is your AB line already existing, and if you know this angle, right? If you know this angle, right? So this CD, right? Know this is CD line. From this CD line and this angle, can't you get this point C? If you just observe, so at a C, make a 90 degree for this DC distance, right? DC distance or CD distance. Can't you locate this point C? Yes. Or some one is already available, right? This is your A, this is your B, and let us say this is your particular point D. With respect to this D, make some angle theta and know this DC value, and can't you locate this point C? Yes, we can locate this point C, na? So one line, one length and one angle, these two are also sufficient to locate a point or not? These two are also sufficient to locate a third point or not, all of you? Yes, these two are also sufficient to locate a third point if you just observe, right? Next, what is that one? Two angles, right? Two angles, right? Two angles, is it possible? Is it sufficient or not? Is it possible to locate these two angles or not? Yes, it is possible to locate by two angles, right? Suppose if you are having this already AB, let us say, then if you know this angle A, when you know this angle A and you know this angle B, then this is theta 1 and this theta 2. From these two angles also, can't you locate this point C? Yes, we can locate this point C, right? At this A, with this angle, make a line. At this B, with this angle, make a line. Then the intersection of these two will be the third point C, right? Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. Then only knowing the elevation it is possible, and knowing the two elevations it is possible. It is impossible, right? It is impossible. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? So A, B and C are the correct ones. Is that clear, all of you? Any doubts anyone having in this? Anyone having any doubt in this, all of you? Anyone having any doubt in this? If no doubt, I'll proceed to the last question of this type of surveying. right? Distances or lengths we should know, not the elevations, right? That is important, right? Elevations will not be useful. Elevations will not be useful, right? Which one is useful? Distances or distances will be useful. Yeah, Navin, tell me what is your doubt? Navin, tell me what is your doubt? Where you are having doubt? Because actually there is some 10 to 15 seconds gap you are having from my voice to your whatever the live you are getting there. Tell me, Navin, what is your doubt you are having? This 30th question, right? Last question from which one? This is types of this survey. Last question from this types of this survey, right? Try to select the answer of you. Okay, okay, you said no doubt. Okay, okay. Right. Tell me now. Once again, tell me. This 30th question, what is it? Actually, it is which one? Highway question you can say, but okay, let it be. We have brought up here. Actually, it is also a scales question, but okay. By mistake, I have kept here. 30th, A. Lina said A, Bablu said A, and others. Any others? Any other answer by any other person? Why Bablu? Naveen A. Yeah, one is there na? Yes, one is there na? It is actually 1 is to 2,50,000. This is 1 is to 50,000, and this is 1 is to 20,000, and this is 1 is to 50,000, 1 is to 20,000, and 1 is to 10,000. Right? That typing mistake has occurred. 1 is to 20,000 and 1 is to 1,50,000. Right? Like that. What is that you can say? Generally, locality map cum site plan is which one? Combination of this key map. Right? Generally, what is the scale of this key map we are using? If you just observe, that key map will be generally 1 is to which one? This is 2,50,000. And index map, right? What is the scale of this index map? Generally we are using index map will be which one? This 1 is to 50,000, right? So which one is locality map cum site plan, right? Locality map cum this site plan. These two are consisting of what? Key map and index map, right? Key map is of this 1 is to 2,50,000. Index map is of which one? This 1 is 50,000, right? So which one is the correct answer given? Option A is the value given, right? You have to remember these values differently, right? Yeah, you have to remember these values, right? Okay. Yeah, if you will get all surveying questions from here itself, then you can answer na. Yes. So now this chapter, aspirant, good evening. This chapter 1 only, but second part of this first chapter, fundamentals of surveying, we are entering into, that is skills. Okay, that is skills, right? Now try to select the answer of you. Select the correct answer, everyone. Now try to select the correct answer, everyone, for this question. Select the correct answer, all of you. We are entering into the next topic, that is scales topic. We are entering into na. Types of survey got already over. We are entering into which one? This is scales, right? 31st question. Try to select the answer, all of you. C, 31C. Write the question number and answer, so that those who are attending in recorded, it will be useful for them. Any other answer? 31C. Yeah, Tower of Power, aspirant, Karpaya, Leena, Bablu, everybody said C. Any other answers from others? Any other answer from others, all of you? Naveen also said C. Any other answer from others, all of you? Okay. The representative fraction of this 1 is to 1800 means that is a scale of, okay? Yeah, it is better you prepare it. It is, see, for mains means for mains there is no 230 to 240 means it's not a negligible score, you can say. It is a good amount only. But what you do is you prepare, right? Whenever you are preparing for ESC, automatically this state PSC and SSC JE also will be covered na? Is that no? SSC JE also will be covered, all of you, right? So SSC JE will be covered, and this state PSC also will be covered, right? So try for all examinations, right? Whatever the examinations you are having, you try for them, right? No problem, no problem, no problem. You try for other examinations also, right? So 1 is to 1800, right? What is it? 1 is to 1800. If you just observe this, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.18 meters. So centimeters and meters it is there na, centimeters and meters is there na. So here what is that? You can say 1 centimeter is equal to what is that? 1800 centimeters na. 1 centimeter is equal to 1800 centimeters, right? That is a scale. Yeah, yes, very good. Yeah, 1800 centimeters means how many meters? How many meters you can say? 1 centimeter is 100 centimeters na. So then what happens here? 2 zeros will go off and it will become which one? This 18 centimeters it will come na. Sorry, 18 meters it will come na. 1 centimeter is equal to 1800 centimeters. That is a scale generally we are having. Then if you are converting that, what will happen? That 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 centimeter on the map will be equal to how much? 1800 centimeters means, right? 1800 centimeters means how can you convert that into meters? Can we say it is 18 meters? Yes, it is 18 meters. Which option is correct? Option C will be correct na? Okay. Option C is correct na? Yes, option C is correct, right? Like that. Is it clear? Everyone? Right? Because 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, right? 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, right? Yes na? Is that clear? Right. No. Select the answer for this 32nd question. Select the answer for this 32 question, all of you. Select the answer, all of you. Anyone else? Just write the question number and answer, okay? Write the question number and answer. It is a calculated one. So it is given which one? UPRVUNL, okay? UPRVUNL 2014. Hello? Nobody is answering? Calculate, all of you. Calculate here, all of you. It's taking time. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Karupaya said yeah. Any other calculations, all of you? Okay. Any other calculations? 20.4. Okay. Any other calculations by others? Yeah. Yes. Karupaya, aspirant Leena said yeah. Okay. Shall I start? Shall I start discussing this question, all of you? Shall I start discussing? Shall I start discussing? Right. So here a scale of this given plan is written as 1:200. If an original length of this 10 centimeter on the plan has been shrunk to which one? This 9.8 centimeter. Determine the actual distance, right? Yeah, Bablu also said here. Determine the actual distance denoted by a line which is currently measuring 10 centimeter. Right? So previously what happens? That 10 centimeter, right? Previously what happens? That 10 centimeter, right? 10 centimeter has become which one? This 9.8 centimeters now. No need, yaar. Arey yaar, see, I told you yesterday, right? You are just getting disappointed only for 2 years, but many people are still there for 4 years, 5 years, right? In this itself, right? In this chart itself, in this class itself, some people are waiting since 4 years, 5 years, like that. Very long back they have completed BTech and still they are doing all the hard work. Okay. So you need not worry, just for 2 years you should not worry, right? Many people 3 years 5-year people are also there here in this class itself, right? Okay, so don't worry, right? Don't worry, just try until you are getting, that's it. Okay, right. So what is this given if you just observe? What is this given if you just observe? What is that character representative factor? What is that character scale, you can say? What is that character scale if you just observe? Everyone, what is that character scale, everyone? Character scale or character representative fraction is equal to what? Is equal to which one? This wrong scale, right? Wrong scale into which one? This is shrinkage factor na, or shrinkage ratio na. So what is that shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor, all of you? It is nothing but your shrunk length by original length, right? No, it is only on which one? Right? It is only on which one? Right? Yes, Chaya, correct, right? Shrinkage factor into wrong scale, right? Correct scale is equal to wrong scale into shrinkage ratio, right? Right. So here what is that you can say? Daily classes means Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you are having these classes. Okay, the state PSC PYQs of surveying, until all state PSC PYQs are completed or until your people are attending continuously, I'll take the classes every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you will be finding, right? So shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor, right? What is the shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor? Shrunk length divided by which one? Original length na? Shrunk length divided by this original length. Okay, what is that shrunk length? 9.8 centimeters divided by this 10 centimeter means what is that a shrinkage factor or shrinkage ratio? What is that? It is 0.98 na? 0.98, right? Now tell me what is the correct scale if you just observe? Wrong scale is 1:200 into what is that? Shrinkage ratio will be 0.98, right? Now tell me how much it comes to be, the correct scale. 1 divided by how much? That 200 will become what? What is that 200 will become? 200 by 0.98, right? What it will become? Correct scale. Correct scale, how much it comes to be? 200 divided by which one? So 1 divided by which one? The 200 by 0.98, you will get some numerical numerator value, denominator value, right? What is that value? Just check it. 20, how much? Anyone tell me? 204.08 na? 204.08, right? So what does it mean? You can say it means that 1 centimeter is equal to 204.08 centimeters. So if you are converting that into meters, what is that you can say? 1 centimeter is equal to how much? Meters means how much? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter now. So it comes to be that 2.04 meters, right? 1 centimeter is equal to 2.04 meters, right? But what is it asked? 10 centimeter is asked na? So then what is that 10 centimeter representing? The 10 centimeter is equal to which one? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter on the map at present is equal to 2.04. Then yeah, 20.4, right? 20.4 meter, right? 10 centimeters is equal to 20.4 meters, right? Which one is the correct answer? Option E is the correct answer na? Yes, option E is the correct answer, right? Like that. So do you require calci here? Do you require calci here if you just observe? Do you require calci here if you just observe? Do you require calci here? You don't require calci na? Yes, you don't require calci if you just observe, right? Like that, isn't it? Yes, na? Right. So it is multiplication only. It is multiplication only, right? Correct scale is equal to wrong scale into that shrinkage factor. That is correct only. Okay. That is correct only, right? Whatever I have given is correct only. Okay. Correct scale is equal to wrong scale into that shrinkage ratio or shrinkage factor. Sign up. That is correct only. Okay. Right. So we'll be closing the session now. And we'll be continuing the remaining questions on which one? Right? Remaining questions on this scale tomorrow. Oh, sorry. Tomorrow means next 16th we'll be having. Right? These are all the questions on scales we are having. First chapter only. Okay. So we'll be discussing these questions on which date again? On which date we'll be discussing again? On 16th we'll be meeting. Right? On 16th we'll be meeting. Okay. If you just observe, right? Is that clear? Okay, thank you all of you. Have a good day. We'll be closing the session. Yeah, aspirant, right? Aspirant. Only the thing is practice, right? Even if you have practiced, right, you could not qualify means what does it mean? Means you did not attend the test properly. you did not attend the test properly, right? So without attending the test, nothing is possible. Okay, you have to attend the test series compulsorily, right? That is the very important, right? So test series is very important, then you can see the difference, right? Because whenever you are attending the test in the test series now, so you will experience the real time examination behavior, then you will come to know where you are doing mistakes and how to overcome these mistakes, right? Without attending any test, directly if you are going to the examination, it is not good. Okay, right? Thank you all of you. Have a good